Sculptform, you might say, in its very DNA, rises to challenge. Reverse psychology works on us very well. So if we see something we love, that we really default to yes rather than to no.
This incredible sculpted space that is fluid, organic, sensuous. It's all those things, something we've never really done with Sculptform in the past.
We're actually really inspired by what the architect does and what that end result is. So we're not just focused on supplying a product to a project, but we really see ourselves as integral to the architectural design team.
When it hit our office, I remember one of the interior designers walking up to us and saying there's this fantastic opportunity to create a showroom for Sculptform, and obviously we've been working with Sculptform for a very long time, and it was really, really nice to actually be part of the initial phase of being selected to participate in the competition for the design.
When people enter the studio, we want them to be exhilarated. We want their heartbeat to go from approximately 70 beats per minute to about 140. That we'd consider that to be a good outcome. We want them to continue to be excited. We want not only to create an initial impact, but for them to be comfortable in the space, to feel the atmosphere. And it's not just the material atmosphere, but the atmosphere of the culture of Sculptform, who we are as a company. We're a relaxed, authentic company. We're out there to achieve results.
Coming in, I would say that most of this front of house area here is really that engagement space with clients. So it can be used for a variety of events. The auditorium behind us, tiered, there's a screen that drops down, so it can be used for clients and engagement like that from that point of view. So as you then circulate around the lab, you experience a series of other spaces, an exhibition gallery space, which rotates around to the workplace area, some meeting rooms, and then back through to the auditorium space on the left and down into the arrival. So it's a pretty simple solution, very effective, very clear.
The importance of the tactile environment of the collab is that potentially there are no compromises to their design vision. It creates a short feedback loop between the architect's creative brain and the actual material.
What we find attractive about what Sculptform do is their engagement with designers and the industry.
With a studio, it's about actually achieving an outcome, actually achieving that project. It's where visions and constructability meet.